Hello, my friends, and welcome to English Go Easy. I'm Spark, and I'm very happy to see you here today. In this video, we are going to practice slow English listening together. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy. Today, I want to talk about something very important: how to speak English with confidence. Many people learn English for many years, but they still feel afraid to speak. They know many words, they know grammar rules, but when they try to speak, they feel nervous. Their mind becomes empty. They cannot find the right words. Does this happen to you? If yes, don't worry, you are not alone. This is very normal. But today, I will share with you some easy tips. These tips will help you speak English without fear. These tips are simple but very powerful. So let's begin with the first tip. Tip number 1 is listen more and speak less at the beginning. Yes, you heard that right. If you want to speak well, you must listen a lot first. When you listen to English every day, your brain learns the sounds, the words, and the rhythm. Think about a baby. A baby listens for 1 year or 2 years before speaking. The baby hears the mother, the father, and other people talking. Slowly, the baby's brain understands. Then, one day, the baby starts to speak. Learning English is similar. You need to fill your ears with English sounds. Listen to podcasts, listen to videos, listen to songs, listen to stories. Even if you don't understand everything, that's okay. Just keep listening. Your brain is working. Your brain is learning. The more you listen, the easier speaking becomes. Now let's talk about tip number 2. Tip number 2 is don't be afraid of mistakes. This is very, very important. Many students stop speaking because they are afraid of making mistakes. They think, oh no, if I say something wrong, people will laugh at me. But let me tell you a secret. Mistakes are your best teachers. Every mistake you make helps you learn something new. Even native English speakers make mistakes sometimes. So why should you be perfect? You are learning. Learning means trying. Trying means sometimes you will be wrong, and that's completely fine. When you make a mistake, just smile, learn from it, and keep going. The people who speak English the best are the people who made the most mistakes. So don't be shy. Open your mouth and speak. Mistake or no mistake, just speak. Now, tip number 3 is practice speaking alone every day. You don't always need another person to practice English. You can practice by yourself. How? It's very simple. Every morning when you wake up, talk to yourself in English. Say simple things like, "Good morning, today is Monday, the weather is nice, I will have breakfast now, I feel happy today." Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about your feelings. You can also stand in front of a mirror and have a conversation with yourself. Ask yourself questions like, what is your name? Where do you live? What do you like to do? Then answer in English. This might feel strange at first, but trust me, it works. When you talk to yourself, you become more comfortable using English. You practice making sentences. You practice thinking in English, and there is no pressure because nobody is listening. You can make as many mistakes as you want. So try this today. Spend 5 minutes talking to yourself in English. You will be surprised how much it helps. Let's move to tip number 4 now. Tip number 4 is learn phrases, not just words. Many students learn individual words like apple, book, happy, run. That's good, but it's not enough. In real life, we don't speak with single words. We speak with phrases and sentences. So instead of just learning the word tired, learn the phrase, I am very tired. Instead of just learning the word hungry, learn, I am feeling hungry. When you learn phrases, you learn how words work together. You learn the natural way English speakers talk. This makes your speaking sound more fluent and more natural. You can find phrases in movies, in songs, in conversations. Write them down, practice saying them, use them in your daily life. Little by little, your English will sound more like a native speaker. Now we come to tip number 5. Tip number 5 is use English in your everyday life. Make English a part of your routine. For example, change your phone language to English. When you use your phone, you will see English words like settings, messages, camera, photos. You will learn these words naturally without even trying. You can also write your shopping list in English. Write eggs, milk, bread, rice, vegetables. You can label things in your house. Put a sticker on your door and write door. Put a sticker on your window and write window. This way you see English words everywhere. Another idea is to think in English. When you are walking on the street, try to describe what you see in your mind in English. Say, I see a car. The car is red. I see a tree. The tree is tall. I see people walking. This is a fun game and it helps your brain think in English automatically. The more you use English in your life, the more natural it becomes. Tip number 6 is don't rush, go slowly. Many students want to speak fast like native speakers, but speaking fast is not the goal. Speaking clearly is the goal. It's better to speak slowly and clearly than to speak fast and make mistakes. When you speak slowly, you have time to think. You have time to choose the right words. You have time to pronounce correctly. And guess what? People will understand you better. Even native English speakers don't always speak super fast. They speak at a comfortable speed. So take your time. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Don't worry about speed. Speed will come naturally with practice. Now let's talk about tip number 7. Tip number 7 is celebrate small wins. Learning English is a long journey. It takes time. It takes effort. So don't wait until you are perfect to feel proud. Celebrate every small step. Did you say one sentence in English today? Celebrate. Did you understand a video without subtitles? Celebrate. Did you have a short conversation with someone? Celebrate. Every little progress is important. Every little success makes you stronger. Be kind to yourself. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language is not easy, but you are doing it. You are here. You are watching this video. You are practicing. That is already amazing. So give yourself a pat on the back. You deserve it. And here is my final tip. Tip number 8 is enjoy the process. Don't make English learning feel like hard work or boring homework. Make it fun. Watch movies you enjoy. Listen to songs you love. Read stories that interest you. Talk about topics that excite you. When you enjoy what you are doing, you learn faster. Your brain remembers better, and you don't give up. English should not be stressful. English should be enjoyable. It's a beautiful language. It opens doors. It connects you with people from all over the world. So fall in love with English. Enjoy every step. Enjoy every word. Enjoy every conversation. Okay, my friends, we are reaching the end of this video now. Let's do a quick review of all the tips we learned today. Tip number 1, listen more and speak less at the beginning. Tip number 2, don't be afraid of mistakes. Tip number 3, Practice speaking alone every day. Tip number 4, learn phrases, not just words. Tip number 5, use English in your everyday life. Tip number 6, don't rush, go slowly. Tip number 7, celebrate small wins. And tip number 8, enjoy the process. These 8 tips are simple but very powerful. If you follow them, your English will improve day by day. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Take one step at a time. Be patient, be consistent, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You can do this. I believe in you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you.